Hi, it's Nadine from Cult of Mac and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Strapley distressed leather watch band. I'm super excited about it because it comes in a lot of cool colors and it has a great design and awesome stitching. So let's take a closer look. Strapley's box is simple, no frills here. It's the band inside that really catches your eye. The unique distressed leather makes this band a product of elegant yet rustic simplicity. Not to mention the pop of rose color that makes this beautiful watch band stand out. Strapley's special design maintains a glossy, polished finish while accented with subtle distressed swipes throughout the band. I can tell Strapley isn't afraid of making bold statements. The dark contrast of this band's blue stitching actually feels like a great complement to the strap's light color. I can tell it's lightweight while still asserting the integrity of its durable structure and leather when held. All Strapley watch bands are made with 100% full-grain leather sourced in France and made by in-house artisans in the US. Every band includes watch adapters and a matching buckle. This rose gold one is a perfect match for this watch band. I feel genuinely excited to wear this piece out. Even though it may feel a little stiff at first, all great leather pieces need time to soften and mold to a more comfortable and familiar fit. Alright, so that's all I have today for this watch band, but if you liked it, make sure to go check it out at our watch store. You can find it available in this color, which is my personal favorite, and it's also available in a few other colors from neutral classic white to other vibrant colors like blue. And it comes in different buckle colors. You can choose that when you check out. It has rose gold, gold, gray, and a silver. So make sure to go check it out. This band is really well made, great quality. For $80 at our watch store, you can get one today. So make sure to go check it out. Thank you.